Hello traders and investors, I'm L.A. Little. This is your daily Neoclassical TA wrap. We take a look at these markets. We're doing it from a Neoclassical perspective, and we're asking ourselves what happened today and what it might tell us about the coming days. It's going to be a short show tonight. I'm sitting in the airport ready to fly out, have some business to take care of. So what happened today? I don't have the numbers in front of me. I know we were down today. You can see we're down about 0.38% here on the SPY. The key here was that you came down, you tested into it, you were unable to get lower. The volume was kind of light today. I don't have the volume numbers in this early, but I do know that the volumes were light. Let's go to the actual index. What we see there is that we traded into the swing point low. That low 2358.96, you got into it again, you closed over it. This wants to break that swing point low, and one of the reasons it wants to do that is the bullish time frame. This trend that has been in effect here is getting rather extended, and you can see that here at the 77% clip. So looking at the actual index here, we traded lower, back into it, trying to get into that swing point low, can't get underneath it. That's going to try and flip around and actually trade higher again. If we look at the NASDAQ, the NDX, those were even stronger. You can see that here, kind of a doji, but at the top of the range. Finally, the weakest of the group has been the Russell. That one still looks the weakest. Now, it did get under back over today. Don't have the volumes, but I know it was a light day, so we may actually see that one try and flip around tomorrow and get a bounce finally. So index-wise, it's still looking like it wants to trade to the downside eventually, but wants to bounce. There's one other area that we haven't talked about much that we probably should pay a little attention to, and that's the bonds. And the bonds are starting to sell off. High-yield debt, if we look at it here, let's get it drawn so we can see it. That corporate debt definitely getting a downside move. That's a fairly significant move off the top. And when you see that sort of move, you know there's some stress in the system. Sure, we can get a bounce, but again, like I've said elsewhere, market wants to reset on a short-term time frame, and it's either going to do it through time or price, and that's where we're at this point. I won't be coming to you the next couple of days, so I'll have to leave it at that. I do wish you the best, and I'll see you when I get back. Have a great one. Take care.